Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
I'm Braxton.
I'm Grandma Margaret.
Today we are going to be moving the Premier One fence, the white electric fence for the goats.
Again.
They've ate this down pretty good. I've been letting them out, just letting them free range. They're right here behind you, actually.
Come here, Goaty Goats. Goaty Goats, come here.
We've been letting them out and just free ranging for the past week or so. So we're gonna go ahead and move this before we go on vacation. So for the next 2 weeks, we don't have to worry about them getting out. They can just stay in here and eat what's in this area. It's nice and green, plenty of grass for them to eat.
And pine needles.
Yeah, they may even eat some of these. They may even eat some of this
Outside the fence.
Yeah, we'll have to cover it up.
pine needles. I doubt it. But we have pine trees lined up against this fence right here, so there's plenty of pine needles. Okay, they're all curious. They're coming over here and wondering what we're doing. Cinnamon, what do you think? Nuka? What do you think, Nuka? Megatron over there, he's staying right with them. Alright, let's move this fence. Hey, the best way to do this is just drop it flat on the ground and we'll pull it. And leave it flat on the ground.
Go that way. Over top of that.
So what I like to do, I like to take the fence down and just lay it flat. As long as I'm on good ground that doesn't have a bunch of out in the woods, I don't do it this way. But when I got good grass to drag it along, I'll drag this fence along the grass. Nothing's gonna get it hung up. It's not gonna damage it at all. It's just a much easier way to move it. Now, if we're in the trees, you gotta pick it all up. Somebody's gotta carry it all. But I'll show you how I do it. So this one whole roll is laying flat on the ground. You probably can't even see it, but I'm gonna pick one end up and drag it all the way back towards you guys.
Here, start over here.
So this end will be where I actually end this fence. It'll go up against this corner. It'll go up against that corner right there. Nope, I'm sorry. That corner right there. And it'll go this way up against the fence that you just saw. That white chicken right there is my only white chicken left.
You want to pick this up and do something with it, or where's it go?
Yeah. I didn't realize y'all. That corner is going on that corner.
Oh, well, I didn't have to take it out then?
Huh?
I didn't have to take it out then.
Well, no, we do. Here, hold on. Let's put it right there. This is where we need the sledgehammer.
Over there.
Sledgehammer? Okay. All right, we have to use a sledgehammer because the ground is so hot.
Lay that down.
We haven't had any.
Is there more grass?
We haven't had any rain lately.
Is there any more grass I need to rake?
Nope. As long as you will rake that away from the grass line. Okay, Brax, you can start helping me pull this way. Helping your mom.
That's what I'm doing right here.
Okay.
I want both sides pulled.
Keep going. Tanya, go way that way.
Wait a minute.
Careful.
Stop, Tanya.
All right, Brax, come on.
Okay.
It's just sitting there bending it.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
The ground is so hard. Okay, so we have the first 100 feet up, and you can see where this is where they'll come in and out of the lean-to area right here, where this red rake is, and they'll just be able to turn sharp right here, and they'll eat in this entire area right here for the next couple weeks. So now we've got the first 100 feet up. Now we're actually going to do the last 100 feet, and we saved the middle one for last. So this is the end of the fence. So we start here next. It's the second 100 feet that we put up, even though it's the third 100 feet. And then the 100 feet in the middle of the first and the third is where you can do your adjustments.
Hey, how far away does it need to be from the fence?
As long as it's not touching. Okay, so Braxton and Tanya are just going to go straight down and keep putting them up and hammering them in. And then we'll do the middle piece that connects the first and third fence. And that one you can move, you know, you can make it fit. Okay, so now the first 100 feet and the third 100 feet, or the last, first and the last are done. We're going to start at the end of the last with the second run that connects to the first run. And this way you can kind of, you'll do like 10 on this side and then do 10 that connects to the first row, and then the ones in the middle you can kind of adjust to make it a tight fit. Shush, Braxton.
Shush.
We connected the two right here. This is number 3 and number 2 being connected. And then we came over here and connected 1 and 2. And then we just kind of do 3 or 4 here. We'll do 3 or 4 right here. And then we've already done 3 or 4 here. So we'll just keep going back and forth until we get to where right in here we'll be as tight as we need to be. The only thing you have to do, the only thing you have to worry about doing it this way is when you leave it on the ground and you just pull it, sometimes it flips and you don't want to start putting one end up. And by the time you get and start putting the other end up, and then in the middle they're crisscrossed. So you want to make sure they're always turned the same way.
There might be a root there.
Another root.
This
I'm
wrist
missing
is...
every other one.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Shut up. I'll hurt.
Tell your mama to shut up.
Let's see if we need to pull this out even with this one or not.
Yeah, go ahead and start doing these right here. Over here, Brax.
Yeah.
Step over. So now we're going to come back over here and start on this side again. We'll just keep working our way. Oh. Yeah.
I'll get it.
Easy right here. Don't.
Good job.
Don't even.
You got 1 out of 3.
Shut up.
Good job.
Shut up.
Just reach over.
No, it needs to be turned anyway. All right. Ooh. Oh, that's not gonna work.
Now start over here on your left.
On our right, you mean?
My left. The viewer's left.
I got it.
Stop. Stop.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What? Go.
Tanya's moving the whole fence. Makes him miss. All right, last one. You can see how it just kind of comes together like that.
Unless it doesn't come together.
That one's bent pretty bad, isn't it?
Bad.
Here, let
I'm
me do
afraid
it.
it's gonna pop up and get me.
Can you bend it?
That's not working.
Grip
Oh
straight.
yeah, brute strength. Look at that. There we go. Well, that didn't work.
Nope.
Can you do this one too? I want to see you do that again. That was awesome.
Whatever.
They don't
Tanya
need to
said this
they
was
don't
awesome.
need to bring. They don't need to see your strength. I do.
Tanya said this was awesome. So you see how bent that is? She tried to do it with her feet.
It's kind of hot. Go.
You just kind of bend it.
Keep going.
Okay, so all we do now is just make sure we go back and make sure these are all connected. That's fence 1 and fence 2 connected to each other. And then fence 3 and fence 2 are right here. And they're connected. We did get really close. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see if I can tighten that a little bit so it's not so. There we go. There we go. So we did get close to the fence. Hopefully we don't ground out on the fence. We should be fine. Grandma's raking the dead needles away from the fence so they don't ground it out. We'll rake all that up and move it over to the chickens. So you can see the grass here is really good. Good green Bermuda grass right here. They won't really want to eat this. It's not their food of choice. But kind of have to force them.
Put that right there and then put that black one on.
Put it right where it's at, or?
Yeah,
That-
right
that's
where
fine,
it's at,
yep.
and put that black thing on it.
So Braxton is going to put the grounding rod down on the ground.
Ooh. This isn't safe.
Go ahead and hit it. Nope, not now. You're crooked already. There you go. Yep, a little further. Actually, as far down as you can go. It's bending like crazy. That's okay, just use it. Alright, once you plug that in, it's good to go.
Touch it.
Actually, I think it's turned off. Yeah, it's turned off.
Now touch it.
Mom, it's on. Be careful.
Okay.
And then at each end, you just need to make sure it's tied up enough that they can't slip through, which no goat can go through there. And then we do it over here at the other end. Good job, Tanya. Good job, Braxton.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good
You're
hard
welcome.
work. Y'all did great work today. It pays to be a supervisor. It really does.
It does. All right. Done. Good job, Grandma. Tell Grandma.
Yeah, good job, Grandma. They attack me. Oh. Whew. Cinnamon still doesn't like him eating with her yet.
Ooh.
Get in there, Megatron. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up another video. We got the Premier 1 fence moved. That should last us for 2 weeks while we're on vacation. When we come back, we're actually gonna flip it all the way over here on the other side. So that's kind of what we do with this goat pen. We just kind of keep moving that Premier 1 fence. Usually if I keep it in one spot for 2 weeks, by the time that 4th week is up, the original spot's available again to eat through. We're getting close to winter, fall, so this is all gonna be dying off anyway. So we'll be putting hay in here pretty soon. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when our next videos are posted. We can hear Tanya and her mom talking. They're very loud. Anyway, go down and hit that like button too and leave us a comment. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.
Bye.